Hello, I'm Michelle from Protein Software. I will introduce you how to install Account Manager for Microsoft 365, known as AMM365. For those who do not know, AMM365 is software for preparing and managing your Active Directory accounts whether or not they are synchronized with Microsoft 365. To find out more, I invite you to visit our website www.am365.com or check out our other videos. AMM365 is subscription software. In order to obtain the license key, which will allow you to use the product without limitations, you just need to go to our website. Type am365.com in your browser or search bar. Let's see how to make the purchase. Click on Purchase Now, then add the product to the cart. Click on the basket at the top right, then on Checkout. Fill in the information and proceed to payment. The email address provided will serve as your AMM365 account identifier. Once the order has been placed, you have direct access to both the download and the license key. This will also be sent by email to the address registered when ordering. Let's download the application by clicking on the button. The application is a zip file. Open it and run the .msi file. Then click on Run. Next. Next and Close. AMM365 is now installed. At the opening of the application, we can see at the bottom a checklist of prerequisites in order to have all the functionalities. There's really no order, but let's start by filling in the domain credentials. Click on the corresponding link. Enter the information securely. AMM365 encrypts the information with a unique key before saving it. Then click on the PowerShell module part for Active Directory. Validate the installation by clicking on Yes. Wait a few seconds during the installation. Now let's proceed to the license part. Let's click on License in Trial Mode. Replace the license key with the one you received during your purchase. Then click on Add. Wait a bit for the activation of the license. Then click on OK. Note that at each start, the software will check the validity of the license. Your server must therefore be able to reach our website. The activation and deactivation of your license can also be done on your online account in the License Keys section. You will also be able to see information on the validity and subscription period. Well, I hope this part answered your questions. Do not hesitate to ask us your questions or give your opinions directly on our site and to visit our other videos online. Thank you and see you soon at www.am365.com.